We're going to put the gas pump in the 66 on Sunday. It's July 3rd now. Tomorrow's the 4th. But it's already like fantastically hot, and it's only really early in the morning. I don't really... To be honest, I don't know what time it was. I got here a couple hours ago. But got to clean her up. Need to get the real back tire. There's a crazy farm truck again. We'll get started on her. Among the fun projects. Oh boy. And I brought my 3/4 ton panel truck that was in the front yard out here because, well, let's be honest, this is where the work happens. So she's out here too.